welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Welcome to another video from Festive series. In today's video, we're going to test out a skincare product. So currently my skin is going through some bad phase with hormonal acne and I don't want to go to a salon and get anything done to my skin considering safety issues. So I thought, why not do some easy facial at home? So while I was doing my festival shopping on Amazon, I found this Pond's facial kit. I'm a bit worried as to what the result will be, but the price was too tempting for me to not to try it out. So basic funda of this routine is to treat my skin and get that glowing skin for this festive season. So I thought, why not try it out and review it for you all. So the price of this facial kit is just ₹300. Like, yes, you heard me right. In just ₹300 you can get festive glowing skin in the comfort of your house. Like, wow. So it says this is a 6-step facial process and it has 6 mini tubes and bottles in this kit. So they are easy to store and convenient to use. Even tubes has numbers written on it for easy access. So yeah, without any more further ado, let's try this product out. But before we start, if you're seeing this face for the first time, then hey, if you like what you're watching so far, then please do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you get updated whenever I post a new video. Also, give this video a big like. This will motivate me to do more and more content. Now let's begin. Step number 1, cleansing. Cleansing is very important to start with. It basically is like starting with a clean canvas is important, right? So in the same way, it is important to start with a clean face. So here I have a bottle of Pond's Deep Pore Cleanser with vitamin E. Now this cleanser is super gentle on my skin and removes surface impurities. All you need to do is apply this on face and neck. Do not forget your neck. Massage in circular motions for good 2 to 3 minutes and then wash off. Or you can also wipe off with moist cotton or microfiber towel as I'm doing here. Now this facial pack is available in 2 ranges, skin brightening and charcoal. I got skin brightening as I wanted that festive glow. You can choose the range as per your requirements. Step number 2 is scrub. Scrubbing helps in exfoliating and removing dead cells and also removes excess oils. It also helps in reducing suntan and detoxifies the skin and gives it a healthy glow. Now this brightening scrub is enriched with walnut shell powder. It is not super harsh on my skin, but it does a good job in removing all that dead cells junk and gives me clean pores. Now I'm going to massage the scrub in circular motions for good 5 minutes and again wash off or wipe off with moist cotton. Number 3 is nourishing. Now done with cleansing and scrub, now this is the time to hydrate your skin as we did double cleansing. Pond's Nourishing Cream is infused with vitamin B3 and vitamin E, which hydrates your skin and prepares it for further process. Now I'm going to take some cream on my fingertips and I'm gonna massage on my skin till it gets absorbed. Now this is very calming and I already feel so good. Step number 4 is massage cream. Now this is my favorite part in any of the facials. I love massages, you guys. Pond's massage cream has glycerin in it which moisturizes as you massage your skin. It also helps in blood circulations which gives you that natural glow. I'm going to massage the cream on my face and neck again using circular motions first, and this time I'm going to massage upward strokes for good 10 to 15 minutes. This will help tighten my skin. Do not do dragging or downward strokes, it will make your skin slag. After a good massage, I am going to wipe off using a moist cotton. Step number 5 is mask. This mask is loaded with clay, glycerin, vitamin E and B3, all that goodness your skin needs basically. This helps in removing excess oil and helps in tightening your skin. Also, did I mention this is suitable for all skin types? And I have a combination skin if you're wondering. I'm going to apply a thin layer of mask all over my face and neck and let it stay for 10 to 15 minutes and wash off. Step number 6 is a brightening cream. This is the last step, you guys. We are done cleansing, scrubbing, nourishing, massaging and also masking. Now is the time to splash on some good moisturizing cream. Now I'm using this Pond's brightening cream which has vitamin B3 and 12 HSA to complete our facial. I'm going to take some cream and apply it evenly on my face and neck. So that is it, you guys. This is my 6 quick step glowing facial at home. You can see the difference yourself. I started with dull and dry skin and ended up with hydrated glowy skin. And this process isn't expensive at all, like just $300, and you get salon like facial at home. You can do more than 3 facials with this kit. You just need a little product. Little goes a long way, you guys. And they're also easy to store, you guys, because they come in bottles and tubes, unlike other facial kits that comes in sachets, which are super hard to store. If you want to check this product out, I'll leave the link to it in the description box. So that is it, you guys. I hope this video is helpful to you guys. And if you like this video, you know the drill. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, then hey, check out all the videos linked down below, and if you like them, subscribe to my channel over there. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, lots of love. Bye.